Welcome back everybody to another episode. We are now parked at the base of the Grimming mountain. It is 10 minutes before 6 a.m. and we're about to embark on our journey up the Grimming. Should be a good day. It is very cold right now, quite foggy, but supposedly about 15 degrees, blue skies, sunshine during the day. So I say we just get going. So that was the Grimming via the southeast ridgeline. I hope audio is alright. If not, I'll have overlay anyways. Took me 4 hours. It's what, 1,700 and a couple meters in vert. The most exposed way you can get up here on an official trail. That being said, it was a super nice hike. Definitely can't complain. A couple of spots were on the edge, just put it that way, on what I would have wanted to do today, but it was all within reason, to be honest. That being said, now it's just all the way down again. I think 7 kilometers, and obviously the 1,700 and a couple thousand meters in vert downhill. that is pretty much the end, at least from the alpine stuff. Now the rest of the way is just through the forest, about an hour and a half until we are back at the car. That was awesome. There's nothing, it's not a word that I would describe this with besides it's just bloody epic.